They've exited from the Prime Minister's residence. They've headed to Maurya. Families have been picked up and they're now en route to the airport directly. So there's really no stopping here. Team India straight up to the Delhi airport, will be arriving into Mumbai maybe in about 2 hours time. Barely an hour and a half journey, I suppose, from Delhi to Mumbai on flight. And at 5 p.m. is the grand victory parade of the men in blue. This is the dream team. It's really an exciting affair for cricketing fans. Remember, they were stuck in Barbados due to that hurricane that literally obstructed their movement for at least 5 days. And finally they were given a green signal to take off. Air India sent a special flight to bring back Team India. And here they are. They've landed this morning at the Delhi airport. There are special buses that have been arranged for them. They're all now moving towards the Delhi airport. They finished that breakfast meeting with the Prime Minister, and now, post that, they've picked their families at ITC Maurya, and off they go to the Delhi airport. Men in blue leaving for Mumbai. They're right now in Delhi, headed towards the Delhi airport, and will be taking off in a special chartered flight to Mumbai. Team India meets with Modi. He, in fact, hosts this whole breakfast meeting for them. In fact, we see here the team that has exited from Prime Minister Modi's residence is now en route towards the Delhi airport. They're going to be taking off in a special chartered flight to Mumbai. You're seeing all the streets of Delhi now wet in rain. It's been drizzling right from the start of the day. They've arrived amidst all the celebrations and cheering for them. A very well-deserved spotlight. Team India at this point rejoicing with the fans wherever they get a chance. This image that you see here on the left is a bunch of those cricketers celebrating and shaking a leg, dancing with the band right outside ITC Maurya Hotel. On the right, you see images, live images that are coming in off the bus that's now headed towards the Delhi airport, carrying Team India. They're going to be taking off moments from now to Mumbai. The Team India bus that has just left the Prime Minister's residence after breakfast with him is now headed to Delhi airport, where they will be moving to Mumbai right after. Mumbai this evening will be fully packed, colourful along the Nariman Point and Wankhede Stadium. There's going to be a huge victory lap that's been scheduled. There will be dhol, bhangra, breakfast, all that packed in one. This day is, of course, memorable for Team India as they've packed up a lot in their schedule, starting from celebrations to bhangra, breakfast with Modi, and now headed to Delhi airport and then headed to Mumbai. Rahul Rawat is also joining us for more on that. Rahul, please go on, headed towards the Delhi airport. We see the Team India bus moving to where you are. Have they arrived?
Well, absolutely. As of now, they but huge security, bunch of security personnel are out here, and soon they are going to be here. And as of now, you can see all the security the people from Delhi Police, CISF, they've gathered here in large numbers. Unfortunately, the fans aren't here, but as we speak, Nabila, the team bus, I believe, is headed right where I am, and the convoy, the police convoy, is also there with the Indian team. So they straight from the PM residence, the players, the world champions have arrived here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, and these are the live visuals that you are getting. The two buses which has the Team India members and their families, and here what it is, a large convoy, and that's Virat Kohli. You can see over there, Hardik Pandya sitting right in front, Virat Kohli also there, the two protagonists of this win in Barbados, in West Indies. That's what has happened. That's Hardik Pandya sitting right in front, and some of the players are there in the bus right behind the this bus over here, and the players, the luggage is being brought out, and the players are just waiting for a green signal so that they can just step out of the bus. And that's the head coach Rahul Dravid, made an ICC trophy for Rahul Dravid, who led India, who has captained India, but never won a world title, and now that dream has finally been completed. And that's Virat Kohli. That's Virat Kohli with jersey number 18. And one peculiar thing that you would notice is all these jerseys, they have champions written right under India. It's a special jersey that that's that's been made for these players, and security personnel have also gathered in large numbers, and players are just trying to get their luggage out, and that's the other bus. And Rahul Dravid, Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, they've already stepped out, and there comes the other members of the Indian team. And that's Yuzi Chahal, the star spinner from India, who was very crucial in India's success. Yuzi Chahal, another world champion, Mohammad Siraj, who played an important role in the US leg, Sanju Samson, Arshdeep, the leading wicket taker, in fact, the highest wicket taker of this T20 World Cup with 17 wickets. Akshar Patel bowled brilliantly, batted brilliantly in two very important matches against Pakistan. He played that crucial knock of 20 in that low-scoring match. In the final, he got that 47. And that's Rishabh Pant. Another fascinating journey for a young boy. You know, nobody knew what it would be. In fact, just a week, or in fact the day IPL started, nobody knew if he would be on that flight to the T20 World Cup, and now he's back in Delhi, back in India as a world champion. So the Indian team is heading straight into the airport, and they leave for Mumbai